Hi everyone. Before video, I explained about subtraction. What is the meaning of subtraction? I explained. In the subtraction, without borrowing, part I completed. Today, we are discussing about the with borrowing part. I will explain. See, subtraction means it will be difference also, we will call difference also. In this part, we are subtraction with borrowing, without borrowing. Now today with borrowing I am explaining with borrowing. Subtraction either 2-digit, 3-digit number, 4-digit number or 5-digit number, anything else, the process it will be same thing. Okay, now today we are discussing some example I am explaining. See, one example. 4,792 minus 3,486. See, 4,792 minus 3,486. Okay, he gave 4-digit number. Now 4-digit number we are discussing now. I will explain how to do the subtraction. Write it here according to the place values. You can write it. Now what symbol we are applying now? Subtraction symbol we are applying now. Then see children, 6. See, compared to 2, 6 is a bigger number. See, subtraction means always smaller number from the bigger number. We have to do subtraction, smaller number from the bigger number. But see children here, 2 is a smaller number compared to 6. So we have to 2 need a help from the before number. So it will be next here borrow. See, always borrow carry 10. Okay, always borrow is carry 10. See, before that, said before number is 9. Before number is 9, 9 it will be convert 8. Means what? It is 9 is giving helping to the 10 to 2. Because of 9, 10, 9 is a tens place. It will be become, if one we are removing means it will be become 10 here. Okay now? So see already 10 plus already 2 is there. Total it will be become 12. See, whenever it will be the number is there, whenever we are taking borrow from the before number, the number should be we have to write whatever it will be before number we have to write. If 9 is there, wrote here 8. If 2 is there, you have to write here 1. If 1 is there, you have to write here 0 like that. Okay, say now it will be 10 plus 2. Borrow value is 10. Already 2 is there. 10 plus 2, it will be become 12. 12 minus 6 is a 6. 12 minus 6 is a 6. See next here, then 8 is 8. Total 2 it will be 8. Take it 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 is a 0 directly. So here compared to 4, 7 is a bigger number. Directly we have to subtract directly, no problem, because of 7 is a bigger number. Now it will be 7 minus 4 is a 3. The next one 4. 4 and 4 minus 3 is 1. Then it will be difference. Difference is equal 1306. 1306. This is I told already. The subtraction means that is the difference. Okay, children. Second question. Subtract 5,498 from 8,600. 8,600 673. See children, subtract 5400, subtract 5498 from 8673. Then first, which is the bigger number? Don't confuse it. Here first number this is there, then here first number is there. We can write first. No, first we have to see the which is the bigger number. Which is the bigger number that we have to write first? Which is the bigger number compared to 5? 8 is a bigger, 8000 is a bigger. So it will be 8673. Next 5489. 8 is a 1's place. 10 is a 9's place. 100 is a 100's place is a 4. 1000's place is 5. Then subtract. Subtract, he is saying subtract. We have to do the subtraction. We can apply the subtraction symbol, isn't it? Now see children, here compared to 3, 8 is a bigger number. Compared to 3, 8 is a bigger number. So we can take borrow from the before number. So we can take borrow from the before number. We have to write borrow. Then it will be 7. 7 it will be converted into 6. Before number we have write because of we are taking borrow from the 7 before number, then 6. Then it will be again one borrow 10 means 10 plus 3. It will be become 13. It will be become 13. Now we can remove 13 minus compared to 8. 13 is a bigger now. Then it will be 13 minus 8. How much should be? Then 13 minus 8. Okay, right. That is correct. Is a 5. 13 minus 8 is a 5. Okay, correct to me again. See children, now it will be here 6. Compared to 9, 6 is a smaller number. Compared to 9, 6 is a smaller number. So what we have to do? We have to take borrow from the before number. Then before number is also is a 6. Now we can draw 6 here. Then draw borrow here. Then 6 is become a 5. Before number we have to write only whenever we are taking borrow, that time only we have to write before number. Always can't. If you are not taking borrow means don't write before number. If you are taking borrow only, we can write the before number. Then it will be 6 is become 16 because of already from 6 we took borrow. Borrow is carry always 10. So it will be 16. 16 is compared to 9 is a bigger number. So 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is a 7, right? Okay, connect to me again. See, it will be 10's place over the next 100 place. Then 5 minus compared to 5, 4 is a smaller. Okay, compared to 4, 5 is a bigger number. So it will be, we can directly remove from 5. Then 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. Okay, right, 1. Again, see children, here we did not do borrow. We did not do borrow from 8 that side. 8 is becomes stable like 8 only. Don't write a before number because of we are not taking borrow from the 8. 8 should be 8 only. If you are taking borrow only, it will be convert. Otherwise, the value it will be same. So now it will be 8 minus 5. So 8 minus 5 is a 3. 8 minus 5 is a 3. Isn't it clear? Now it will what we have to write. First question I wrote, then we have to write here subtract difference. Difference is equal to 1375. 3175. 3175. Isn't it clear, children? So next it will be the pattern is 1. Then second it will be third. If we will give how to do that one. Third question I will explain. See what it will be. See, find the difference between. Like this, we will ask questions. Find the difference between. Find the difference between 8,975 and 6,486. Okay, see, find the difference between difference means what? We have to apply the subtraction symbol. Difference means we have to apply the subtraction symbol. So here find the difference between 8,975 and 6,486 means what? In the given number, first we have to decide which is a bigger number. First we have to decide which is a bigger number. Which is a bigger number? Here 8,000 is there. Here 6,000 is there. Then we have to 8,000 is a bigger number. Then 8,975. Then we have to arrange second number. Only it will be ones place. We have to write ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. Only gave difference. Then you can make it here subtraction difference. Okay, now see, compared to 5, 6 is a bigger, so we have to take borrow from the before number. Now 7 is become a 6, then 5 is become 15. Then 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6, right, is a 9. Okay, the next one, again second number, compared to 6, 8 is a bigger number, so we have to take borrow again from the 8, 8, 9 is become 8, 6 is become 16, then again 16 minus 8, how much should be? Think it, 16 minus 8, so right, 16 minus 8 is 8, compared to 8, 4 is a smaller number, directly we have to remove 4 from the 8, then send. It will be 8 minus 4 is 8, 4, then again 8 minus 6 is 2. Difference how much we got here? Difference is equal to 2,489. Difference is equal to how much we got? 2,489. Isn't it clear, children? Till here, okay. Till here, okay. See, if the upper numbers, these are numbers, it will be first column, if we will give zeros. Now if we will give, see, first column we will say minuend, then second column we will call, it will be subtrahend. Okay, in the subtraction, first column, first row we will call minuend, then second column we will call subtrahend. If we will give minuend place zeros, okay, if we will give in minuend not only first digit, next other if any he will give 0, this is subtrahend if we give value. How to do the subtraction? How to do the subtraction? I will explain one more. Okay, now see, it will be all are thinking children's maths is tough, but very easy for you. If you are learning the grips of maths, you will get easy. So, see, if 0 is there in minuend place, okay, right? See, one example I am saying 6, 7, 0, 2. Okay, 6, 7, 0, 2. Then 1, 3, 4, 5. We are applying subtraction. Right. This is part 1. One example. Here, now from 2 we can remove 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. See here, 0 it will be, we can't remove 3 from the 0. So it will be, take borrow from the number, 7 is become a 6, then 10. Here 10 plus 0 it will be become 0 only, 10 only, sorry. Then 10 plus 0, 10 only, then I wrote directly 10. That's it. If value is there here, then add 10. Okay, if your value is there, not there, 0 is there, 10 plus 0 always 10 only. So it will be 10 minus 3 is a 7. 10 minus 3 is a 7. Now it will be 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Then 6 minus 5 is 1. So it will be right difference. 1271. Okay. The next one more question. One more example. 8009 minus 7238. Right. See, the two are 3-digit numbers only. 8009, 7238. Okay. He gave, we have to do subtraction. See, meaning we can write it 8009. Then next it will be according to place value 8, 3, 2, 7. Making here subtraction. Already here subtraction symbol. Make it here subtraction symbol. Do the subtraction. Now we can see one's place. From right to left we have to do subtraction. 9 minus 8 is a 1. 9 minus 8 is a 1. Now see, we can't remove 3 from the 0. We have to take borrow from the number. Then we can take borrow. See here, before number also 0 is there. Before number also 0 is there. How it will be possible? We can't take borrow from before number. Then it will be again 0 is there. Then this is also need borrow. Double borrow we have to take. See, 6, 7, 8 is become 7. From it will be become already 10. Again, some 10 we can took already borrow. Then become here 9. 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. That's it. Don't confuse here. If your value is not there, then this 0 is asking here to this 0. This 0 already is not having that side. This also into from 8. So 8 is given 10 here. Again in the 10, again this 0 is given to 10. Then it is becoming 9. Okay? Don't confuse with this one. Okay? Now one more example I will explain on this only. Okay? Subtract 3803 from 9873. From which is the bigger number, make it right here. 9873 0706. Direct numbers. In this process, any borrow is there? No borrows. Direct. Okay? No borrows. Direct. See? Easy. But if you are taking borrow, means how it will be? 7,305, 5,873. Make it here directly. 5 minus 3 is 2. Here borrow is there. Take it here 10. This is become 2. 10 minus 7 is 3. Again it will be 6. 12 minus 8 is 4. 6 minus 1 is 1. Okay, children, this is the way we have to do the subtraction if minuend place zeros is there. Okay, this totally it will be is a subtraction about subtraction. Okay, if any number If 0 subtract from any number, we will get the same number only. If any number we will subtract from 0, we will get the same number only. See, if number is, see, suppose 6 minus 0, it will be 6 only. 8 minus 0, it will be 8 only. 10 minus 0, it will be 10 only. Means what? 0 is subtract from any number, we will get the same number. Okay? Next, if you are subtracting number itself, the difference is always 0. We are subtracting itself, means you are subtracting number from the same number. We will subtract from the same number, the difference it will be, say, 0. Then see children, 10 minus 10 is 0. 100 minus 100, it will be become 0. 8 minus 8, it will be become 0. Okay? Next one. If you are subtracting 1 from the any number, the difference it will be, we will get the before number. Means what? That is a predecessor. Before number means what? Predecessor. See, one more I am repeating. See here, one more time. Whenever we are subtracting 1 from any number, then the number is become a predecessor of the number. Suppose, see example. See, 6 minus 1, it will become 5. Then 5 is a predecessor of 6. 5 is a predecessor of 6. See, 9 minus 1, it will be 8. 8 is a predecessor of 6. 8 is a before number of 9. Then here 21 is there. 20 minus 1, it will become 10. 20. 20 is a predecessor of the 21. Isn't it clear, children? This is the properties of the subtraction. Okay? Next, one more video. Next time I will make it in one more video and I will send it in the this. Okay? Thank you, children.